Turboprop passenger plane has crashed into the Keelung River in Taiwan's capital, Taipei, 3 minutes after taking off from...
中国の広州から成田に向かっていたフェデックスの定期貨物便の飛行機が強風のため着陸に失敗しました。このため飛行機は炎上し、現在消火活動が行われています。成田空港の消防署によりますと、
A California wildfire becomes a killer. A passerby shot amateur video showing the wings fall off a C-130 tanker plane just before it plunges to the ground. All three...
I got it.
A little strange.
Used up 2/3 of the runway without leaving the ground. There was a sigh of relief when it finally got airborne, but it became clear this was no routine takeoff. The wings began to wobble. Then it flopped on its belly.
Oh no.
It appears the propeller dug into the ground, flipping.
Klopt het.
Oui, oui. Okay.
Yeah, he does. Look at that one. Look how his nose is up in the air. Oh my God! Oh, it's an accident.
Oh, you're filming it too.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Oh, oh my God!
oh my God, you're filming it.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
You filmed the whole thing.
Oh Lord, have mercy! Oh my God! Oh.
There goes the airplane.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had, oh my goodness. You're not going to believe it, but I got that on.
Stay on this side of the